number 3 and 4. The caution lights are down around the speedway. Pace car picks up the speed. The pace car makes left-hand turn and drops into the infield. Flagman holding the field in bay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Cobalt Tools 400 here at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. It's showtime!
And there's Clint Boyer right behind them. The battle for third. Casey Kane comes down to the bottom of the racetrack. Here comes the leader. Off turn 4. It's Brad Keselowski.
The champ, Brad Keselowski, will lead them back to the stripe and lead the first lap. The Cobalt Tools 400 next in line. Clint Boyer. Then it's Casey Kane.
Watching that battle down the backstretch once again. Keselowski. Clint Boyer starts to close in about a half a car length now on the leader. Keselowski nice and smooth right at the bottom of the racetrack.
Big pack of traffic back there with Jeff Gordon. He's running 10th. Dale Jr. wants a piece of that action right there. Also, it's Martin Truex Jr.